welcome back to another video. It's just going to be a short video today. I'm just going to go through a few little purchases I've just made at a local auto jumble and tractor fair. I'm just going to share with you what I've actually purchased and what my plans are with them, because I want to actually try and restore each one of these pieces on the channel as a little separate restoration video. First of all, let's start with this lovely vintage grease gun. It's actually aluminium, so this should polish up to a lovely mirror finish. It's got a really good weight to it. Yes, I think that'll polish up really nice. Yeah. Ooh. But yeah, it seems to be working quite nicely. So I think that'll polish up nice. It's got a little broken end there, but it's only going to be more of a display piece really than anything else. Well, all these are really, they're all going to be just like for display, not going to actually use them except for the drawer unit. We'll come to that in a sec. But I think that should polish up lovely. That's, you know, a pretty much solid aluminium. So that should polish up to a nice mirror finish. Got a little bit of damage here and there, but adds to the actual patina and the, you know, so the appeal of it. A couple of standard oil cans. This one's quite damaged here, got some dents in it, so I'm going to probably hammer those out, try and improve them a little bit. I may paint one of these, I don't know yet. That's just a little pint jug, that one's got a little pint written on there. It's only £5, this one's quite a cheap one, but really nice vintage can with creases through there. I might be able to hammer and dolly that out, I think. Same with this one as well, same sort of thing, needs a little bit of attention, some dents in it that can be popped out. I'll probably have to make some sort of dolly up to get that out, I think, and then just hammer and dolly it all around. It's a quart. So again, I may just linish this, get it to a nice finish and then oil it. I might paint it yet. I've already got one that's already linished, so I might do something different with that and paint it, I don't know yet. We'll see. Really nice oiler. It's absolutely filthy, this one. This is going to be come up lovely, this one, if I go clean. You can see all the oil on there. Really go clean on this, and the thing here, may even paint this. I'm thinking about painting this a really nice red metallic, I think. Lots of metal flake in it. Make it really stand out. But we'll see. Again, it'll be coming up in another episode. Seems to work, nothing in it. Again, we'll strip it all down and clean it all and polish it all. Nice little blowtorch. This one is a... Is it Veritas? Yeah, Veritas. It says it on the front there. I'm going to try and keep the sticker as best I can. It's nearly all come off, but I'll try and keep as much of the actual logo on there as I can. It's got a little logo on there as well. But it's all stripped down. This is solid brass as well, so that polish up. This is Bakelite, so that should clean up a little bit as well. This is brazed on steel, so I may paint that. I might just clean it up and oil it. But we'll see what we can clean up on it. Strip it all down. See what I can actually make of that. That should polish up lovely with that solid brass on there. It's a paraffin one only, so it's quite nice. It's got some real weight to this one. This has got a wooden handle on this, which has been painted red, so I'm going to strip all the actual paint off that, and then I'm going to stain and wax the wood, I think. Again, Bakelite handle. Everything's pretty much solid on it. So again, I'll strip this down, polish up the brass to a nice mirror finish. See if I can make it look nice. Look quite nice on the shelf. All cleaned up. Could even turn it into a lamp. You could put a lamp fitting on it and a bulb in there if you wanted to. And then this lovely old, come back a little bit so you can see. This lovely old fuel can here. Yeah, it's got some damage here on the top, but that can be easily panelled out. It's got a brass lid as well, so that'll polish up to a lovely mirror finish. I'm definitely going to paint this. I've got something in mind for this, a nice logo on it, painting it really nice colour, a nice logo on each side. Again, it's just going to be a display piece, but I think that'll come up lovely. It's got plenty of rust on it, but that'll just wire brush off. I'll prime it, paint it. It's got a little bit of writing and detail I could pick out on top there. I could pick out that with a bit of gold or something like that on top of the actual colour, but we'll see. Again, it's going to look nice when it's all done. This lovely metal tray unit here, believe it or not, this only cost me £1. Once it's all polished up, all the chrome, and this is painted a nice colour, probably again a nice dark red or a bright red to match the toolbox with some metal flake in it. Just give it a bit of a nice look. I think that'll look really nice stood on the nice waxed workbench. Again, I got some little hand tools as well, and a couple of nice pair of tin snips. Yeah, they're all rusty and blunt, but these will clean up. They are really good steel, so I should get a really good edge on these. I'll get an oil stone as well, and I'll sharpen these up to a really nice finish. Same with that one as well. They really are blunt at the moment, but they'll clean up nice. I may paint them, I may just linish them again. I think I probably will just linish them so they look nice and keep them oiled so they look all nice in the toolbox. Couple of pliers, cobbler's pliers. This one, I really like this one, but very rusty, but that'll clean up nice. Used to have these when I was a cobbler and a shoemaker a long time ago. I had a really nice pair of these. They're really worn in, but these are, as you can see, covered in rust again. Same with that pair. This is more of a modern pair. They've got a really nice action to these, so I'll clean all these up. I may paint this one black and linish that one. Go back to more original. Linish all the fronts. Sharpen all the edges up. Make a nice couple of tools. Got a really nice all set square again. It's in not bad condition, just needs a really good clean. Edges all linishes and polishing, and this all re-blacking. The bubble's alright, and the spirit level as well, so it's a pretty good tool, these. So, you know, you pay a fortune for these brand new. This, I think, it's 50p, 50p for that. Just needs a little bit of attention, a little bit of love, and that's going to look absolutely brilliant. It's going to work for years to come. And it's in mil and in inches, so it's perfect for me. Again, that'll be another little project. And last but not least is just a modern adjustable wrench or adjustable spanner. I'll probably just take the handle off this, the rubber handle, and then just polish it up a little bit. It's got a little measurement guide on there, as you can see that. Yeah, I'm really pleased with that. So I think you'll agree, some nice little restoration projects coming up. So I hope you'll join me on those videos as I try to get them as clean and as nice as possible. So if you've liked this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And I'll see you hopefully on the next one.